Cauliflower, a member of the Brassica family, has a rich history that stretches back thousands of years. Originating in the Mediterranean region, it was first cultivated in the ancient civilizations of the Eastern Mediterranean, such as Greece and Rome. Early records of cauliflower cultivation appear around the 6th century BCE, with historical texts referencing its use by Greek and Roman societies. However, it wasn't until the 16th century that cauliflower spread to other parts of Europe, thanks to the increased trade and exploration during the Renaissance. Initially, it was regarded as a luxury food, enjoyed by the elite due to its delicate flavor and appearance. Over time, cauliflower became more accessible to the wider population, particularly after the crop was introduced to the Americas in the 17th century. Today, it is widely grown in temperate regions around the world and is a staple in many cuisines. The process of cauliflower cultivation requires a cool, temperate climate, and it thrives best in soil rich in organic matter. It is typically grown in the spring and fall, as it is sensitive to high temperatures, which can cause it to bolt or become bitter. Farmers carefully cultivate cauliflower by selecting the right variety suited for the local climate and soil, ensuring that it reaches its optimal size and flavor. The plant is characterized by its large, green leaves and its tight cluster of white florets, which are the edible portion. To protect the florets from direct sunlight, which can cause discoloration, farmers often wrap the leaves around the head, a process known as blanching. This technique helps to maintain the cauliflower's white color and tender texture. Harvesting typically occurs when the florets are compact and the heads are firm, signaling that they have reached the peak of their flavor and nutritional value. Beyond its historical cultivation, cauliflower is celebrated for its impressive array of health benefits. It is a low-calorie vegetable packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. One of the standout benefits of cauliflower is its high content of vitamin C, which is crucial for immune health, skin health, and wound healing. Additionally, cauliflower is a good source of fiber, which aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy gut microbiome. The fiber in cauliflower also contributes to feelings of fullness, making it an excellent choice for those looking to manage their weight. Cauliflower is rich in folate, a B vitamin that is important for cell growth and development, particularly during pregnancy. Moreover, it contains antioxidants like beta-carotene, which help protect the body from oxidative stress and support overall cellular health. Studies have also suggested that the sulfur compounds in cauliflower may have cancer-fighting properties, making it an important part of a cancer prevention diet. In addition to its role as a nutritious food, cauliflower has garnered attention in recent years for its versatility in the kitchen. It can be prepared in a variety of ways, making it a popular choice for those seeking healthier alternatives to high-carb foods. One of the most famous uses of cauliflower is in creating low-carb substitutes for grains, such as cauliflower rice and cauliflower pizza crust. These alternatives provide a way to enjoy familiar dishes without the added carbohydrates, making cauliflower a favorite among those following ketogenic or low-carb diets. Cauliflower can also be roasted, steamed, sautéed, or even grilled, making it a versatile vegetable that can be incorporated into a wide range of dishes, from soups to salads. The mild flavor of cauliflower allows it to absorb the flavors of spices and seasonings, making it a perfect base for a variety of cuisines, from Indian to Mediterranean. Cauliflower's benefits extend beyond the plate, as it is also an excellent addition to a sustainable and environmentally friendly diet. As a low-impact crop, cauliflower requires relatively few resources to grow compared to other vegetables, making it a sustainable choice for environmentally conscious consumers. It is also part of the cruciferous family, known for its ability to improve soil health by reducing the need for chemical fertilizers. Growing cauliflower helps reduce the carbon footprint associated with agricultural practices, particularly when grown locally or in home gardens. Its resilience to various growing conditions, such as drought, further enhances its environmental benefits, making cauliflower a valuable crop in efforts to support sustainable farming and reduce food waste. With its wide range of health benefits, culinary versatility, and sustainable qualities, cauliflower has cemented its place as a favorite vegetable for health-conscious and environmentally aware individuals alike.